After an afternoon in the great outdoors, this ultra comfort food is the piping hot way to end the day. To make the filling, I've discarded the skin and removed the meat from a small deli cooked chicken. Shred the meat into long bite-sized pieces. Take 1 red pepper and dice it. Place the pepper with the meat, along with salsa, frozen corn, and coarsely chopped cilantro. Melt some butter over medium heat. Add 1 small onion and 1 clove of minced garlic. Sauté for a few minutes until soft. Sprinkle with all-purpose flour and whisk for about a minute. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat. Whisk for 2 to 3 minutes until the bechamel is smooth and thickened. Then remove from the heat. Take some Canadian aged cheddar and grate it. Stir it into the sauce, but keep some aside for the topping later. Scrape the sauce into the chicken mixture and stir to mix. Turn into a 10-inch square casserole dish. Now for the topping, in the same pan, bring milk, butter, and salt to a boil. Gradually whisk in cornmeal. Whisk continuously until thickened. Remove from the heat and stir in the rest of the shredded Canadian aged cheddar. Break 2 eggs, lightly beat them, and then add them one at a time. If you like, add chopped jalapeno to cornmeal topping. Dollop over the chicken mixture, then spread to barely cover. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the pie is hot in the center. Just 1 taste of this dish and it'll become an instant winter classic.